Hello everyone, this is the Red Rocks Community College Library Instruction Team with the Colorado Community College System. Today we're going to be going over RRCC's Library of Things. We're a library. We have books. Around 25,000 of them, in fact. But we also have non-media items in our Library of Things. Most of the items we'll go over here check out for a week at a time and can be renewed beyond that, like these puzzles. We have a few. There's usually one out on the tables for you to work on too. You'll also see our anatomical models. We have more on the other side. And while you're over there, check out our personal whiteboards. We have markers behind the front desk. Here we have more models, as well as one of our art kits. We have a few, all with different art supplies. This one's for acrylic painting. Feel free to use up any of the supplies, or even check out our sewing machine. Unfortunately, we don't provide fabric. At the bottom of the shelf are different study kits for geology and geography classes, which you can use for 4 hours at a time. We also have more models down here. Skeletons, brains, hearts, skulls, torsos, and muscular systems, even a larger heart model for extra studying, some of which you can pull apart and put back together. Need something different? We can help you find free ones online. You can also take a closer look with our microscope or our chemistry kit. A lot of what we have is here to help you with school. But we also have a lot of things for your personal amusement, and the library continues behind the front desk. Here, we have the Colorado State Parks Pass, which comes in a backpack with some outdoor supplies and gets you into any Colorado State Park for free. That's $12 a day you can save. It's perfect for a weekend trip, and you can also bring along our telescope for some extra sightseeing. We also have binoculars, compasses, and flashlights so you can build your own adventure. If you're more interested in going on one from home, peek at our D&D starter kit. We keep extra art kits and models back here as well. This part of the Library of Things is also where we keep all of our board and card games. You probably won't need them for class, but the library isn't just for schoolwork, it's also for fun. You can check out any of these things for any reason at all. Do you want a scientific calculator? Grab one of those. How about our Blu-ray player for movie night? Well, this bookshelf back here isn't technically a part of the Library of Things. It's also useful to know about. These are our course reserves. We'll sometimes hold textbooks back here for you to use for 4 hours at a time. Before you buy one for your class, come see what we have. Remember, the library is here for you. The collection is always changing and may look different when you come in. Want to see something on the shelves? Let us know. Have any questions? Stop by in person or email us at library@rrcc.edu.